In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing finances for a small business or just keeping track of personal expenses, creating a balance sheet in QuickBooks is a fundamental task that helps you get a transparent snapshot of your financial health. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Make your way to the login page where you can sign in with your credentials. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to set one up before you can follow along with this tutorial. But assuming you do, enter your username and password into the designated fields and click that login button. This will bring you right to the QuickBooks dashboard. Now that we're in QuickBooks, it's time to navigate to the Reports section. You'll find this tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to a page filled with various report options. Here, QuickBooks provides numerous reporting tools, helping you tailor financial information to suit your needs, whether it's for internal analysis or sharing with stakeholders. Next, move over to the search bar situated at the top of the page. Type Balance Sheet into the search field. This quick search is designed to streamline your workflow so you don't have to sift through lists of reports. After entering the search term, you'll see the balance sheet report pop up in the results. Go ahead and click it to begin customizing your report. This is where you can really make the balance sheet your own. QuickBooks Online offers a range of options to tailor the balance sheet to reflect the period and specifics that matter most to you. Often, you might want to adjust the dates to cover the current fiscal period or any specific timeline you're analyzing. Additionally, QuickBooks allows you to filter or group data based on several criteria, ensuring that the report is as detailed and informative as you need it to be. Once you've set up the report to your satisfaction, double-check to make sure all your changes are in place. It's always a good idea to go over your work before finalizing anything, to avoid any oversight, which is crucial for maintaining accurate records and financial analysis. Finally, when you're happy with your adjustments and confident that your balance sheet sums up the financial story you want to tell, click the Save button. By saving the report, you're able to access and review this customized balance sheet at any time in the future, making it a useful resource for ongoing financial management and reporting. And there you have it. That's how you create a customized balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. By tailoring this essential financial report to meet your unique needs, you ensure you're always prepared to make informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.